The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Noxubee County in east central Mississippi, northwestern Kemper County in east central Mississippi, southern Oktibbeha County in northeastern Mississippi, Winston County in east central Mississippi, northeastern Neshoba County in east central Mississippi, until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:28 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Bethaton to near Vernon to Forestvale, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Golson and Oktok around 6:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Misholaville around 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Noxapater and Sturgis. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Waiting for Jesus to make it all right. You've been waiting.